All right. Out on the street for a living, bitches only begun. Ooh. Got you under their thumb. I just can't play this morning. All right, what is that? 4 minutes in? 4 minutes in, I've got absolutely nothing.
Oh, yeah.
All right, finally, let's go out with rock and roll all night and party.
Now you're talking. All right. Woo! Yeah, yeah.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Back tomorrow.
And you show us everything you got. You keep on dancing and the room gets hot. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. You say you wanna go for a spin. The party just may come and let you in. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. Why? You keep on shouting, you keep on shouting. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day.
You keep on saying you'll be mine for a while. Looking fancy and I like your style. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy.
Almost. Take it away, Benjamin.
And you say you wanna go for a spin. The party just may go and let me in. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy.
You keep on shouting, you keep on shouting.
Huh?
What? No. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day.
Thank you for watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO. Yeah.
You have been watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO
You sure have.
podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Michael Lyons. This is the whole gang.
BOOZHOO!
Okay.
We'll see you again. Giga Waba Min, Minowa. Hoa.
Oh!
Oh, wow.
Oh, hikes. That was great.
That was really fun.
Bye.
Thank you. Good night.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Oh, yeah. Click the link.
Oh, jeez.
All right.